This is the only desert that supports a population of lions. She hasn't eaten for a week. Her solitary prowling may take her up to 50 miles a day in search of prey. And finally, she's caught up with a herd of the only antelope that can survive the intense heat of the dunes. South African Oryx, a system of blood vessels under their black and white faces, allows them to keep cool heads when others can't. They outweigh her by 100 pounds. And those yard-long rapier horns have been known to impale a lion. Without cover to hide and approach, the odds are stacked against her. Further pursuit is futile. As air is heated by the sun, it rises, and cooler air rushes in to replace it. The Namib's wind-whipped sand skews the odds to her advantage. And she knows it. With Oryx sheltering nearby, once again, she must close the distance. The incessant hiss muffles her footfalls. That's mastered its mysterious ways to triumph in an age-old conflict.